Hi Punt, so here is the latest reworking of your space. This is 90, this is 1210. What have I done? So I've created a small gap here. If you look from above you can see that gap. The reason I've done that is just to show that you don't have to have that vertical and these interfering with each other. You just sort of create space where you need it. What that does mean is that anything you put here has to interlace with the shelves. So if, for example, you did want to create an L shape of shelves, if this was exactly 45, that wouldn't work. You would have to put one shelf underneath the other, or you cut both shelves and you have this piece is moved slightly. So at the moment, if you stick to a 45, you can have a pin board or pegboard, storage board, Elfa call them, here. That is different from a storage track. Now a storage track, I think they're sold as standard 600, but they're really easy to cut to size. The Garage Plus one, very easy to cut to size. What else have I shown here? So I'm not sure you'd want to do this, but by interlacing staggering the shelves here, you can mix different depths. So that's 400, that's 500. You probably won't want to do that, but I probably thought I'd show you anyway. And as discussed previously, to get inside the 1210 width, you're going to need to cut at least one wire off of that, and if you want it symmetrical, you'll need to cut one wire off of this array as well. If you're not bothered about symmetry, make the job easier, cut 2 or 3 wires off of one side only, then all of that moves inside the available space. When you're creating this gap here, the number of wires you cut increases, so you're just going to have to, set it up, do a dry fit and do your calculations based on that. Don't cut anything until you've had a chance to hang a few things up and get a feel for what you've got. So that's it. I think the big decision there is if you definitely want a pegboard or a pin board there, you're stuck to having 45. If you don't want a pegboard or a pin board or anything of a set size there, you can put shelves, tracks, anything else that can be added, cut to size will fit in there. Okay, I hope that's useful and we'll speak soon.